Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I'm here with a haul video for you today. So I took the opportunity when Elle Studio had their sale. I really wanted to buy more, but I kind of held back because I do have so much product in my stash, and I just did a whole reorganization of all of my craft supplies, so I really was able to tell what I have. And since I've been doing my kit review series this month, or this year, I've been getting new products in each month as well. So I really held myself back. I restrained myself, and I only bought a couple things. I only got, I guess, one mystery grab bag and then two mystery 6x6 pads, and I'll show you those. So if you can hear any noise as we go through this, please forgive it. There's like 5 boys downstairs playing video games at the moment, so you might hear them as they get super excited about their game. All right, so let me share. These were the 2 mystery 6x6 pads that I got. And I don't have this one, but I do have this one. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I have like 3 giveaways ready, and I just have not gotten myself together to like do them, but I have giveaways ready. So please keep an eye out for those. So I'm definitely keeping this one, but I might put this in a giveaway, but I just really love the navies, but I haven't even used the original one I have, so I don't know. But I got 2 6x6 pads, and there are 24 sheets, 12 double-sided pages, or 12 double-sided designs, so that means that there's 2 of each page. And then I did grab another 6x6 pad, but this is one that I specifically picked up. It was on sale, but I wanted this. I have a box I'm sending my friend in New Zealand, and that's going to her because she likes Elle Studio, and I love Elle Studio as well, so I couldn't not grab it. All right. As her usual packaging goes, she usually includes a Project Life card for the month, and that was I ordered that in March, so I got the March card. And then I also picked up, I want to say these were like 30 cents each, but I got the, oh, it's broken. Oh, that stinks, but it's okay. I can always piece it back together. I got the acrylic and wood veneer sets. So there's a mom one and a dad one, and then it has like 5 wood veneer, I believe. There's 2 hearts like that. So the wood veneer are the same, but one just says mom and one says dad. So I got those. I got 2 sheets of the little snippets labels. I just really love the colors of those, and those are always so versatile. And then I got a couple of things to go with the 6x6 pad for my friend, but I like to share these because I just love Elle Studio. And I have all of these already, so it's not like I bought something that I would be tempted to keep, because that was the problem. I get this issue where I buy things to give to somebody, and then I'm like, you know what, maybe I need that. So I have to either buy 2 of them if I don't already have it, or if I already have it, just buy 1 for the other person, which is kind of it's kind of bad, I guess, but it's just the temptation of keeping it because I love it. So I got the Sunny Days cutouts, and these go with this 6x6 pad. I got the Sunny Days little snippet labels, the little snippet blank labels, and then the little snippet larger blank labels. So all of these go together. I got another set of the Jonah labels because I just really like these. So I got just 3 labels for myself. And then the very last thing was a grab bag. And so this is a sticker grab bag, and I absolutely love Elle Studio grab bags, but let's just be honest, I probably have everything she makes already, except for the new collections that come out, and I've been trying to kind of buy those collections as they come out. Again, a problem I have, but this is why I have just about everything that she offers in her shop, which again is not a bad thing because I love the products, and her products are really affordable. So I thought the sticker bag would be a good one to have because you can almost never go wrong with any of the Elle Studio stickers. From the little sheets, which are very versatile, to the puffy stickers, to the alpha stickers. And this one was very heavy in alpha stickers, but again, these are so versatile, you could always use these. So I got 5 alpha stickers in my little grab bag. I got the light gray, the cream, the green, the yellow, and the light pink. And I know for sure I have the gray, the green, and the pink, but I don't think I have the yellow or the cream. So those add a few things to my stash. I got the Let's Eat sticker sheet. I got the Family Fun Puffy stickers. Again, I already have that because I bought the whole collection, but I love the blues and the grays, and this collection was really heavy in that. And then I got a Puffy Alpha stickers, which I don't have any of the Elle Studio Puffy Alpha stickers, so I think it'll be fun to try to use these. So these are supposedly pink, but they really read more of a pale lavender to me. So like, this is definitely pink, and I feel like that's more purple. I don't have purple anywhere, do I? I was gonna compare it. Here, let's take out one of these sticker sheets. Not sticker sheets, 6x6 pads. Here. So this is definitely a darker purple. But to me, I mean, it's definitely in between the pink and the purple, but I feel like that color is more of a pale lavender. But this is really a pretty paper. I wasn't expecting to like the purple paper like that, but that's super pretty. But anyways, okay. Got a little sidetracked, but I wanted to show you that. So that's everything that I got in my Elle Studio box. I tried to keep my total under $20, and I did. I think when I added shipping, I think it bumped it up to like $21 or something. But basically, I was able to keep my purchase under 20 bucks, which is really kind of what I strive to do. Put this back in here so I don't get it all mixed up. And again, Elle Studio products are so super affordable, especially if you shop her sales. And she always has stuff on sale. So if you are ever interested in purchasing from Elle Studio and you have not, I strongly, strongly, strongly suggest that you at least check it out because you get some really, really great things. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Keep an eye out because I do have a box coming from Pretty Little Studio, and then I have purchased a couple random things that I'll share with you as well. Probably I have to wait for something to come in. I purchased one of the Freckled Fawn blooper traveler's notebook things, and so I'm kind of interested to see what that is. I want to see how messed up it is, if it's even messed up, or if the design is something I might like or might not like, but we'll see. So anyways, keep an eye out for those because I have a couple more haul videos in the next week or so. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye.